Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A13 and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So first of all, let's enter the camera app and let me turn it on. So right now we are in the standard photo mode, so we have to switch to the video one. So let's tap on it, and since you can see this red dot inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video one. So now we can take a look at this option bar, and on the second position from the right we've got the resolution option. So let's tap, and as you can see we've got only two different options from which we can choose. Both of them are with 30 frames per second, and the one which is currently set is FHD, so full HD, and the other one is HD. So all you have to do in order to change the resolution is to simply tap on the one you'd like to use. So let me pick HD, and as you can see it has been immediately applied, which means that from now on your device will record videos in chosen resolution, but I highly recommend to keep this option applied because this is the best one possible here. So actually this is it. This is how to change video resolution in your Samsung Galaxy A13. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.